My name is Anvi Reddy Anna Reddy and I am from class 5E. Today I will share my reflection on Science Week. Science Week blasted off with a great creative explosion at our school. It has diagrams of the principles of air resistance, to full hands on deck for rock cycle project, to magnetic cars which are powered by magnets. As a student, I love the setup. It's a very creative and interactive way of learning science. There are certain games like the gallery walk, the mad scientist photo booth, and the invisible pen game.
Hello everyone, I'm Harita and I'm Anvi's mom. So she's been talking about the Science Week throughout that week and also even beyond that. So I really appreciate all the teachers who have tried and explained the concepts to them theoretically in the class and also tried to show the same practically using different kinds of models. And the one thing that really stuck with all the students, I believe, is the games part, where the invisible pen or the magnetic cars, those are the ones which they really and thoroughly enjoyed. So I'm looking forward for many such events from Meru. Thank you.